here's a continuation of the 8-mile marker. We're sitting at the far end. Normally where those bushes are is where, from that edge to where the bushes are, is normally a beach. There's no beach there today. We're sitting along the edge of the shore here where there's normally a fairly good drop-off down to the water. And the water is right here at the edge. Swinging over here, there's an alcove there. And normally that's a beach where people sit, but not today because there is no beach. The water is really high this spring of 2011. There's the rocks where folks jump off in the summer. And there's the eddy everybody always gets stuck in when they're floating down the river. It's roiling pretty good right now. It's pretty amazing. We haven't seen any ducks, so we are wondering if the ducks made it with this high water. Their nest didn't get swamped out.